This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with one small section at a time so tension stays even. Pinch the base near the scalp and hold firmly. This anchors the lock. Once done, apply a pea-sized wax or gel to the length to help the strands bind. Use only a little so you don't overstiffen. Then place your palms on either side of the section and roll slowly away from the scalp. The motion should be consistent. Make sure your hands stay parallel and the pressure remains steady to form a neat cylinder. Once you have the base set, continue down the lock using a rhythmic palm rolling motion. You want 2 to 3 second strokes, keeping your palms parallel while turning inward and outward to compress the hair evenly. If the lock gets longer than your grip, reposition and overlap the old roll to avoid weak spots. Make sure to smooth stray hairs into the roll as you go. A tiny dab of product can secure them. Pause occasionally to feel for lumps and correct tension, so that you finish by giving each dread a final firm roll from root to tip to lock the pattern in place. If the end is loose, twist or palm roll until it holds. Once done, let the hair dry fully, either air dry or use low heat to set the structure. Make sure to sleep on a silk cloth or use a wrap to prevent friction. If frizz or gaps show up later, re-roll the affected section when slightly damp, or use a single prong crochet hook very gently to tuck stray hairs back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.